And you push FU to the limits in the fifth set. Your thoughts about this match? First to that. Here, what you thought?
Honestly, coming into this match, really, yeah, like yesterday after the training, we didn't think that we're not gonna have training tomorrow. So it's a mindset for us that we'll still have training tomorrow, because in our minds and in our hearts and in our bodies, we know that we'll win today. But yeah, it happens. Some team loses, some team wins. So I guess it's just they just wanted it more probably, but it doesn't really. We can't deny the fact that the Ateneo, the whole Blue Eagles, we gave it our all, and we really wanted it for. Siguro marami kaming pinahugutan. That's siguro yun yung mga backstory namin coming into this game.
Thanks so much, Dax. You had 20 exit receptions and 6 digs. So, Gian, you have 11 25 attacks, 1 block, 19 exit receptions. So, yun na, your season is over. Pero, look naman yung what happened this year. Mahabot kayo sa Final Four and you push the number 1 team FU to 5 sets. And what can you say? Na, how proud are you and the team in general na mahabot kayo sa ganitong sitwasyon?
Honestly, sobrang proud ako. Like, I mean, especially sa mga seniors na bumalik, nag 1 more year. Sobrang grateful ako sa decision nila na maglaro ulit para makuha namin yung goal namin. Yun nga, yung ilang years din kami na tulad sa Final Four, and yun ngayon. Nakabot ko ng Final Four, and ayun, sobrang thankful ako, sobrang grateful ako sa kanila lahat, and hindi lang naman sa kanila, especially sa buong team and sa coaches namin.
Sige, that's it. Kennedy, 11 attacks, 2 blocks, 2 service aces, 15 exceptions, and 2 digs. So yun na, you have a rough start ng season, di ka masyadong nakalaro ng first round, pero you came stronger, and eventually, binalik mo yung Ateneo sa Final Four. So, how proud are you na, yun nga, number 4 kayo, and binigyan nyo ng magandang laban ang FEU. Your thought?
Unang bumapasok sa utak ko, sorry.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Sobrang nakaka-proud kasi nakita ko behind the scene actually, sobrang hardworking ng bawat isa. And then yung, yun nga, na reach namin yung goal namin this season. Pero na fell short nga lang sa Final Four. Pero still nakaka-proud kasi sobrang ganda ng run na pinakita namin against FU. And hopefully, next season, paghugutan nila to para mapush pa nila yung sarili nila. Para mas mahigitan pa namin yung kung ano yung narating namin this season.
Right, guys.
Dance, can you talk about taking that one final year?
Kuya naman honestly, like right before the season started, I had offers na to play professional, but my heart belongs to Ateneo talaga. It's really that reason. Like, I really don't want to go. I really don't want to leave Ateneo without getting into the Final Four and best get the championship. And I feel like it's all a blessing in disguise kasi supposedly the team that I was supposed to join to, they had like basta yun. And I knew it right before the season started, and I feel like it's really a blessing in disguise, and I just really followed my heart, and my heart really always will choose Ateneo.
Gian, can you talk about leading this team lang throughout the season? Maraming ups and downs, pero yun nga, natapos niya yung tatlong sunod-sunod na 5th place. Eto, nakaangat ka.
Actually, parang, yun nga, sinabi ko rin naman sa mga past interviews na parang hindi ako nahirapan i-manage yung team. Especially nandun pa yung sila Lance, Kennedy, sinamin nandun pa yung mga super seniors ko. Kasi andun sila lagi nag-guide sa akin. And ayun, gina-guide nila lagi yung mga bata or ako kahit parang kung ano yung dapat kong gawin para sa team, and yung mga wala ko, sorry. Ayun. Sobrang thankful ako sa yun nga. Tinutulan talaga nila ako i-guide yung team. Kaya medyo di talaga ako mahirapan.
Lance, what's next na lang for you?
I I hate to break it. Oh, kala mo na. But like, for me, probably I will just rest from volleyball, probably. And I have my other plans naman. And other fields and industries I really wanna explore, and I really wanna finish my master's in business administration. And that's really my focus right after the UAP. And after that, probably if a team or mag-boom pa lalo yung professional, I'm not really closing my doors for it naman.
And last question to Ken. Ito, may foundation na kayo na nakapasok kayo ng Final Four. Ngayon, syempre, hindi lang naman the following season, hindi naman syempre kontento kayo lagi ng Final Four lang. You wanted to go deeper, reach high. So, ano masasabi mo sa upside ng Ateneo para syempre mag-content kayo against itong top 4 and yung mga hindi naka-Final Four, ahabol pa yan next season, your thoughts?
Actually, sinasabihan ko naman na yung mga rookies even before na yung mga nasa bottom rank, malalakas sila actually kasi most of them are rookies. And for sure, ayaw nila ulit mangyari sa kanila na nasa bottom rank sila. So, magpupursige sila. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa mga rookies na hard work, based talent talaga. And then dapat gustuhin nila yung ginagawa nila. And especially dapat committed sila sa kung ano yung mga ginagawa at dapat nilang gawin.
Candy and Gian, sa inyo, what's next lang? You're gonna take that.
What's
Fine.
next? Actually, propose na siya eh. Siya ano ba? Siguro rest muna and then we will cross the bridge when we get there na lang sa kung anong mangyayari next.
Ako, honestly, before yung season, sabi ko, yung last draw ko, na if maglalaro pa ako yung 5th year ko, ilalaro ko pa. Yung last draw ko is yung if makapasok kami ng Final Four. So, nakapasok kami ng Final Four, so maglalaro pa ako isang year.
See you next season now.
Alright, guys. Still congratulations for you guys for reaching the Final Four and rest well, guys. Prepare for next season. Thank you.